Hey everybody, I got another build that I'm just starting. I'd like to get a little introduction for you guys and show it before I get too far and get done. Here's another Corvette. It's the C7 R. This is not the newest Corvette style because I got the C8 now, but they had this one for a little while and it was pretty sharp in person, and so I'm gonna be getting this kit done. I have already started it. I do have the body and paint, got the hood, and I also have the chassis as well. And this is how far I am on the chassis. I did a little bit of dry brushing on it. I kind of did it aggressively to give it the grayish metallic look. Because when you look at these race cars, they're not just a plain flat black. They do have a lot of a metal look to that black. The roll cage is just sitting in there, and the dash will eventually sit in. I still got to do a little bit of detail painting inside. I gave it a red seat with a black shell. I do have the motor in. You don't see much of the motor on these kits. So this is all glued down, and then these will have to have decals on them, and then these will actually sit on top like that and go into the where the air intake is. I have to do a little bit of touch-ups in the fender flares there, and the wheel wells, both sides, so those ain't done. Still debating on if I'm going to paint the brakes red or keep them black. I think they are like a metallic color in person. And I had to put the axles and the wheels in. Now the wheels are the same color as the other Corvette I did, which were that gunmetal color. And like the other Corvette, I did do this kit before. This is the one I did last time. And so this one was Oliver Gavin, Tommy Mindler, and Marcel Fasser. And this one always never really wanted to stay clamped down, which was a shame because I don't want to glue the body down because you really cannot see at all in there. This one, unlike the other one, the hood does come off, so what little bit of the motor you can see, you can just look at it that way. This one has the skull decal going down in it. Now I remember this hood giving me a whole lot of problems because I didn't paint it in the proper order, so I had to be super careful. But in being careful, I ended up getting a lot of overspray in the hood, so it kind of looks like it was already at the track. And this one does come apart. That was one thing I wanted to make sure I kept. It does come apart kind of rough. This one, this is what it looks like inside. And there's a little bit of differences in this one as well. I did do a wash. This one, instead of doing carbon fiber, I did a paint that was like an old bronze look to give it a carbon fiber look on it. This one was the full metal axles. But as you can see, I did a little bit of differences in both of them. Not a whole lot, but just a little. But instead of doing the same kit over and over again, I did the same thing as I did with the other one. So I got decals from IndyCals again, and this one is the one. So this one is the 24-hour Le Mans winner of 2015, and so this one has Oliver Gavin, Tommy Mindler, and Jordan Taylor. And Jordan Taylor is one of the brothers of and the son of Ricky Taylor. You got Ricky Taylor and Jordan Taylor. And then you have the father, who is Wayne Taylor. And if you follow racing, he has a very, very prestigious history in racing. He's done a lot of winning. I think he got in the Hall of Fame maybe 2 years ago. And so he owns Wayne Taylor Racing now. He's not much of a race car driver now because of his age, but his racing team is the number 10 Corvette prototype in IMSA racing right now, and they do very well. But that was one of the big reasons why I wanted this kit again. This kit was a Christmas gift from one of my great friends. So I got to get these decals and make it again. This time I will be doing a carbon fiber on the air intakes, unlike I did last time. I'd be doing carbon fiber on the wing, which I did that last time. So it is just about the same decal, top and bottom and the sides. But if you notice on the rear window, this one has the positioning system that they use. This one also comes with light decals, which the other one did not. And it's got a different steering wheel decal, so it looks a little bit better. And it has all the decals for your tires. And this one here is quite a bit different. See, on the original, the Revell one, you cannot see the skull very well. This one is actually removed, and the reason being is you get this cool chrome piece that actually, you put this down first and then you put this one over top of it, so you have a nice chrome view on it. And then it also has the nice chrome side ones, when this one was just like a silver. So it's a nice improvement. So usually when they're at the Le Mans, they end up using 64, 63, and in the States they're 4 and 3. And Jordan Taylor is sponsored by that camera company, so they end up putting that on the Corvette. But they're really nice decals. And the one thing I have to double check and see, I don't remember these lights still being on this generation of Le Mans, because they went to this position placer. I don't think they still have those. So that's just a matter of looking it up and seeing. But so far that's that for that kit. I do have to do the masking for the black. That. I have to do the masking for the black there. The windows have that black, And they already come pre-painted, which is very nice. These are very complicated paint masks, so it is very nice that they take that step out for you, because that's really easy to make it look awful when you screw that up. But there it is. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys have a good one, and until next time, I'll talk to you later.